Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to log out of Call of Duty mobile account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Call of Duty application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Call of Duty if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner we have your achievements. And in the bottom left corner, we have, as you can see, the store. Also in the top right corner, we can see that we have the settings. And in the bottom right corner, the start, where of course you can go and start a game. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and log out of Call of Duty mobile account. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. First of all, launch the game on your device and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to open the settings menu as so. After that, select the legal and privacy tab at the bottom of the list on the left, and then tap the logout button in the bottom right hand corner. Then confirm your decision to log out. Once you've logged out, you can switch accounts or log back in with a different profile, of course. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.